Hey friends, welcome back. It's Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you guys have had a wonderful Saturday. So today's video is so late. I have felt terrible all day. I had a migraine that just wouldn't go away that I literally dealt with from this morning until this evening. I took Tylenol, nothing would help it, but it finally subsided. So I'm able to now make this video, but yeah, I felt like total crap for most of the day. I don't know, probably stress, but yeah, it was not the greatest day for me. But anywho, as you saw, we finally picked up a Christmas tree. We were on the road most of the day and we were stuck in traffic for hours, which might have also contributed to my headache, but we were stuck like for hours on the interstate. So on our way home, we decided to stop by Home Depot because we've been to like a few like little tree setups like on busy corners where they have like a tent and people bring, the trees into the city, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, hadn't found anything. So we decided to run by Home Depot before coming home, and we actually found a tree. My husband kept saying, Home Depot has real trees, and I couldn't remember. He swore me up and down that a few years ago we got a tree from Home Depot. I could not remember that. So we did end up swinging by there, got a tree. So we'll actually finally put our tree up, even though we're like, 2 weeks from Christmas. So I got to do better. But anyhow, and then we left Home Depot, stopped and got some dinner, and then we've headed home, and now we're home. The girls are upstairs in the bed, so I have time to make you guys a quick Vlogmas video. So for today's Vlogmas video, the bag we're gonna discuss is one of my personal favorites. I saw this bag, and when I initially saw it, I want to say it might have been, I don't know if it was on the LV website or if I saw it on maybe Instagram years ago. Can't really remember, but when I saw the bag, I knew it was one that I had to add to my collection. So one day, my daughter, myself, and I was probably with my friend Mandy. We used to frequent the LV store a lot, but one day we popped in, and my CA, client advisor, did have it available, and so I did purchase it. And that bag is the LV Cans bag. I absolutely love this bag. So it is reverse monogram, and it does have black leather trim. So the top is traditional monogram. The sides are reverse monogram. And then it has this beautiful black leather detailing that goes down the back, and underneath it's also reverse, and it does have 4 feet. So this particular bag, I don't know, I love the quirkiness of the shape. It looks like a can, right? So hence the name. It is circular like a cylinder on the front, but in the back it is flat so that it can lay against you. I carried this bag today, which is why we're reviewing it, right? The bag does have a top handle, gold hardware, as you can see, and it does have 2 D-rings on the side. Now, the bag is a little like wonky to zip up. Like if you're, like not holding it, but let's say you're wearing it crossbody, to zip it up, it's kind of like, sometimes it can be a little bit difficult. So you have to like really like grab it, or you could set it down on like a surface in order to close it. The bag has like this little catch. It's like this little gold ball right here that catches the zipper pull. And as you can see, the zipper pull has a hole in it. So it sits like so nicely right here. The bag did come with a strap, and it is a full leather strap. As you can see, it's of course detachable, but it is also adjustable, and it has several loops in it. And I do wear this bag crossbody, so it's definitely tall girl friendly. This is the setting I have it on right now so that I can wear it crossbody. There are times when I wear the bag with the strap attached, but I wear it as a top handle. And then there's also times that I wear it as a crossbody. So I'll show you guys what it looks like with the strap attached. So sometimes I'll carry it like this if I'm carrying it top handle. Sometimes I'll let the strap just dangle like this. and I'll just carry it top handle, or I will carry it, of course, crossbody. Sometimes I carry it without the strap as well. Can't remember if I just said that. My head is still hurting just a tad bit, but after this video, I'm taking a shower and I'm definitely going to bed, so I'll be better tomorrow. But like I said, when I bought this bag, it was definitely high on my wish list after seeing it, so I was really, really happy to add it to my collection. I absolutely love anything monogram in black because it's so carefree. So I could get caught in the rain, the snow, it doesn't really matter. There's not gonna be anything that I'm, afraid of happening to the bag as far as like watermarks or scuffs or anything like that, as far as like it getting wet. So I love a carefree bag, and that's probably one of the top reasons why I love this. Then like the shape of it, the quirkiness of it, I like different. I like traditional, but I also like different. So yeah, this is one of my favorite bags. I will never get rid of this bag. When I wear it, I do get a lot of compliments on it. There's a lot of folks that have never seen this bag in person, and then there's also folks that own the bag and they'll see it and be like, oh my God, that's one of my favorite bags. So I love having those conversations if I'm like out and about. But yeah, so this is the bag for day 14. I should remember that is my big sister's birthday. So she's currently on a cruise. So I hope she's having an amazing time. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this short video. I will insert at the end, I have a video I recorded it some time ago of me putting items in the bag to show what fits. So I'll insert that at the end. But I look forward to seeing you guys again tomorrow. And until then, be safe.